What's up, YouTube? Today we'll be doing a misfire fix for the 4X edition. And just yesterday, I was getting this when I was going up the hill. Engine is jerking really bad and don't feel like enough power. Later on, check engine light on. So what I did is you guys OBD2. So I plugged this into the car and I was getting a misfire in cylinder 4. So what I did is that it could be two reasons. It could be the spark plug or it could be the coil pack. So what I did is open up the hood. So your cylinder right here in Ford is the VA46. It goes spark plug 1, 2, 3, 4 goes way back. So if that's a problem, spark plug is a problem. So there's no way I'm gonna like get through there to take it apart. I'll probably just take it to the mechanical dealership and get it fixed. But otherwise, if that's a coil pack, that's something I can do. This engine model is a little different from other ones. Other coil packs have individual ones like here, 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 here. But this one actually have a coil pack of 4 right here. So it's a little confusing because the cylinder 4 is actually right here, and this coil pack right here. And I will attach a diagram here. And this one's 4, 8 something. I'll attach a diagram to this video. So what I did, first I need to get some clearance for this thing. What I already, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, just like the other side. Okay, we got this. Still hard to see. Okay, we got this coil pack here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You basically just grab the top and wiggle it. That thing come off. Now what I did is same thing with the other side. This is already everything off. And what this guy here is actually a new coil pack I purchased from the auto store. So make sure you get firing order right. So this guy already unplugged all of these, and from here you can see that I already put it back in. Then I tested the car, it runs just fine, so I know it's a coil pack problem. Now what I need to do is unbolt these and just put the new one in place. Okay, now we're just removing those bolts holding the old one, and that's a cylinder mill, and we just remove all these bolts so we can, because the new one I don't want to leave this hanging here. Remove the old one, put the new one, bolt to the place. The last one down there is gonna be like this guy, gonna be pain in the ass, but hopefully through enough wiggle we can get it out. It's kind of raining and snowing right now, and seems like I got this situation figured out. So I took this old coil pack out. That's what's causing the problem. Put the new one in, bolt it down. I didn't bolt all of them. I left the weight one in the back, just in case need to remove in the future, save me some time. So 3 in there, and so I'm gonna put everything back up. Hopefully it will start again too. Okay, let's try to start her up, see if it runs. Knock on wood. Okay, so it does run. And let's see. No check engine light. Rev it up. It's pretty normal. And we got the scanner. Enter. Diagnose. Yeah, it's taking a while, so great. We got 0 coil found, so that's good. Yep. Previously we were getting a misfire, so that's good. I can shut it off, unplug it. Let's take it for a test drive, because it can look good on the paper, but if you're still jerking and not giving power, that's not a good sign. So let's go for a test drive. Hold on. Let's get the windshield going so you can see the road clearly. The major thing we're looking for is just climbing the hills. See if it's jerking. It's pretty good hill. It's climbing pretty decent. Exciting, right? RPM. There's no jerking or anything. It feels pretty normal. Alright, this is the moment of truth here. Alright, so from pretty much 0 speed to try to climb this hill. Slightly shift it and try to climb some speed. Revving at 28,000 RPM. Still not shifting. Still not shifting. Still not shifting. Now it shifted. 45. Okay. Yeah, it seems about right. It still doesn't feel perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna be a nice guy and let it go. Still don't feel perfect, but it gets up to speed just fine. As minimum amount jerking. And there's no check engine light. So I guess that's pretty successful. Yeah. Hopefully, knock on wood, that solves the problem. Oh, did you see that? No. Knock on wood. Alright, so that's it for today. Hopefully. Yeah, for this conclusion. I don't want to work on this expedition anymore because it's gonna snow in Houghton really soon. I don't want to deal with any more of those problems. Yeah. Alright, see you guys in the next episode.